Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a thick vertical line in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to insert a thick vertical line. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu. Select the shapes option. We can see here many shapes. Now I am select the line shape. Then draw the line vertically. Press shift on your keyboard to make the line perfect. Then go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline. Then go to the wide option and go to more line. Then we can see here open the option is the wide. You can make the line thick, increase the wide to your measurement. You can make the line multiple or triple, etc. Now I am make single. Otherwise you can make the cap type round cap or the flat cap, etc. You can change the color. Select the color option and change the color. You can add the transparency or decrease the transparency. Now we can see we insert a thick vertical line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.